Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1958P. 41,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. True blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Compass seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustment to the driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115 volt outlet, perfect for charging those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Compass, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.